Olympics in whatever round, ano magiging focus mo or thought mo because you have the same event, ipig, di ba?
Foil po.
Foil po, sorry.
Syempre po, kahit sino pong makalaban ko po, I'm for sure po, talagang ilo-look forward ko po to fence them. Kasi po, they're in the Olympics for a reason po, and it's because they're the best in the world, and they deserve to be there po. And of course po, it's a competition, and pag nasa strip po talaga, we're all really competitive, but mostly po right after, we're all friends po right after the competition.
So even if you get to draw her, laban lang.
Opo, laban lang po talaga. Kasi po, actually growing up, talaga pong rivals kami and nagkakatapat po talaga kami. But of course po, yun po yung isa po sana na ayaw po naming mangyari, of course, because we're teammates po and you don't want to go against your teammates. Kasi
Especially early in the rounds.
And pareho po naming pangarap na makarating po sa Olympics.